This video demonstrates setup and use of the Keeler Portable Slit Lamp for an anterior segment examination. Before beginning the examination, gather your supplies. This consists of an adjustable chair or stretcher, topical anesthetic drops, fluorescent strips or solution, cotton-tipped wood applicators, a syringe of saline for irrigation, and gloves. Preparing the slit lamp. The Keeler Portable Slit Lamp consists of a handheld unit seated in a charging base. Familiarize yourself with the device by removing the handheld unit from the base. When fully charged, it provides approximately 2.5 hours of use. Adjust the pupillary distance by rotating the oculars until a single image is seen. Focus each eyepiece individually by toggling between the plus and minus settings until the image is clear. To activate illumination, click and hold the trigger. Select 10 times magnification for superficial structures or 16 times magnification for anterior chamber evaluation. Adjust the slit width using the dial on the illumination head. Preparing the patient. Before examining the patient, confirm their identity and explain the procedure, including the brightness of the light and the need for steady fixation. Ask about contact lens use and remove lenses prior to the exam. Instill topical anesthetic if fluorescent staining or foreign body removal is anticipated. Fluorescent may be applied by placing a strip in the inner corner of each eye and instructing the patient to blink. Position and anatomy. Position the patient comfortably in an adjusting chair or they can stand depending on height. While holding the slit lamp securely in one hand, use your other hand or fingers to gently rest against the patient's face for stability. Ask the patient to keep both eyes open and fixate on a nearby target. Begin the examination at low magnification using 10 times power. Open the slit beam fully to create diffuse illumination and position the light directly in front of the eye at 0 degrees. Set the light intensity to a comfortable medium level. Inspect the lids and lashes for edema, erythema, discharge, misdirected lashes, or lesions. Ask the patient to blink, then gently close their eyes to inspect the lid margins. If a retained foreign body is suspected, evert the upper lid using standard technique. Next, examine the conjunctiva and sclera using diffuse illumination. Ask the patient to look up, down, left, and right to evaluate the bulbar and palpebral conjunctiva, noting any injection, chemosis, hemorrhage, or foreign material. To examine the cornea, increase magnification and narrow the slit beam. Angle the illumination arm approximately 30 to 45 degrees temporally, starting at the limbus. Assess corneal clarity, surface irregularities, abrasions, infiltrates, or foreign bodies. Evaluate the anterior chamber by angling the slit beam obliquely. Assess chamber depth and look for cells, flare, or hyphemia. Post-examination. Once the examination is complete, return the slit lamp to its charging stand or carefully place it back into the carrying case.